have borrowed $140,000 from one of our private lenders to finance the purchase and the renovation of this property. Once the property was renovated and rented to tenants, we would apply for a cash-out refinance loan with the credit union. 80% of $200,000 comes to $160,000. This would be the amount that the bank would be lending on this property. The private lender would get paid back the $140,000 plus any interest they are owed at the time of closing. The closing costs associated with the refinance would also be paid from the remaining $20,000, and anything remaining after that would go to us. Some banks may only lend at 75% or 70% loan to value. You should shop around and see what terms banks in your area offer for cash-out refis on non-owner occupied properties like this. But generally, you should be able to find one that does at least 75%. In which case, if you follow the 70% rule to come up with the maximum purchase price, you would do just fine. Of course, you need to keep in mind that the 70% rule is just